Hi there everyone. Today I am super excited because I am going to install the latest macOS Golden Gate beta version. And this version is not like any other previous version because we now going to see extensive implementation of Siri, which was the major highlight in Apple WWDC 2026. So if you are also interested in installing Golden Gate, then please watch this video because I am going to give you a lot of feedback and insight whether right now it is stable or not. Not only we're gonna see the stability, but we will also talk about what are the features now being added. And before we go further, if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribe, as you're gonna see in this channel a lot of content related to elevating your productivity and fixes. Alright, now let's see how we can install this latest Mac OS Golden Gate in our Macintosh. For that, first of all, here we need to click on this Apple logo and then go here in system setting. Now click here on software update, and here you need to enable this beta update. Alright, so let's click on this icon. And then from here you can select Mac OS 27 Developer Beta. Now it may be possible that you do not see this option, and this is because you are not still enrolled to Apple Beta program. So what you need to do is you need to simply open browser and look for enroll for Apple Beta program, and then from here you can simply go to this website and then click on sign up. Now here you need to use your Apple ID, and once you successfully sign up, you can simply restart your system and you should be able to see this. Now I'm gonna click on done. Now here you can see Macintosh is now checking for update, and there you go. Here we can see the update. Now one more thing I wanted to tell you is the size of this update. So the size of update can vary from 24.44 gigabyte to 27 gigabyte. So please make sure that you have this much amount of space available. Now I'm gonna click on upgrade now, and then here we need to accept the terms. And now here we can see the process of download has begun. Meanwhile this is getting downloaded, let's also talk about who can install this Mac OS 27. So if you have a Mac Mini which is 2020 and later, you can install it. If you have a Mac Studio of 2022 and later, you also can do that. So any machine which is launched around 2020 or later, they can install this Mac OS 27 Golden Gate. One more important thing before we proceed further, which is taking backup, especially when we are installing beta version, because they have high probability or high chance to get broken up. So please make sure that you have backup of your important data. If it is in cloud, then also you do not need to worry about. And there you go. We have successfully installed Golden Gate, and let me log in. Now let's click on continue, and again typical Apple setup. Now this is what some people criticize when macOS Tahoe announced, which is liquid glass, and not everyone appreciated it. And finally Apple came up with customization where you can adjust the level of tint based on what you like. So with the help of this slider, we can customize the liquid glass effect. Now let's click on continue. And now let's click on get started. Alright, so let me now move back to my computer screen. Okay, so now after installing macOS Golden Gate, let me go on the top and click on this Apple logo, and let's click on about this Mac. Now it says macOS 27. Now here it says macOS 27 version 27.0 beta. And you're gonna also see this notification which was not in past, which says that Intel based app support will be ending in Mac OS 28. But we do not need to do anything. Let's now simply jump into Siri and Apple Intelligence, which is new now. So for example, and if you have got ChatGPT, then you're gonna get even more capability, especially with Plus license. Now let me click here on try new Siri. and here you're gonna see Siri with Apple Intelligence, and let's click on join waitlist. Now at this point maybe I'm not able to show you, so we need to join this waitlist and then we will be notified once new Siri for Mac is available. So maybe I will be coming up with a separate video because this is the major update of this version. So that's how guys you can install macOS Golden Gate in your Macintosh. And of course we will be trying all these new capabilities now being added to this macOS 27 in our upcoming videos. And if you have got any question related to any step in this video, please do let us know in comment down below. We will try to answer you. And I will see you in the next video with more update related to macOS 27. Till then, you take care and bye bye.